What is up, guys? Deadlock Jess here, back again with another Supreme unboxing, so stay tuned. Now, today's pickup is going to be a little bit different for two reasons. Number one, where I got it. I had no idea this place even carries Supreme, but apparently they do. Number two, what it is. Now, I know Supreme is famous for making skateboards and skatewear, but this is just completely different. Let's get into it. Supreme diapers from Costco. I don't know when Supreme started making diapers or when they did a collab with Costco, but here they are right now, Supreme diapers. For only $40, you can get 180 of them. Yeah, that's a lot. I know what you're thinking, he's so stingy, selfish, but I'm not gonna be wearing all of these myself because I have a baby brother and I'm gonna be giving a few to him. I want him to get swagged and cool.
Daddy Mac, baby, Charlie Cross, stop catching all the ladies. The HIB, I should be playing with toys. Instead, I put my head into making you make noise. That's how I keep it, that's my everyday life, and I rehearse to keep it sharp as a...
Psych! That was just a joke if you couldn't tell already. This is the real pickup right here. So let's open it up and see what we got. Alright, let's see what we got. Let's get this out of the way. Alright, let's get this box out of the way. Alright, so by the looks of it, looks like shoes. Nice. Alright. So here I have a pair of shoes from the Vans and Supreme Collab. These are the Sid Pros. So let's open it up. So as you can see, I went with the Dalmation colorway. I thought it was just really cool. It popped out from all of the other shoes. It has spots, it's just really cool, but the sad part is that this is a size 10 and I'm a size 8.5, so I don't really know if I'm going to be selling these or keeping these, but just really cool shoes in general. As I said before, these are a very unique pair of shoes. The design is crazy because I've never seen anything like this, and if you're walking on the street, you're definitely gonna get noticed, but I am a little torn if I should keep them or sell them because they're a little bit too big. Should I keep them? Should I sell them? Cop or drop? Leave your answers in the comments down below. Let me know what you think. So as I always do it, like, comment, subscribe. Until next time, peace out.
I'm picking the type of phone that makes you say you're too much, Chris.
Supreme diapers from Costco. I don't know when Supreme started selling diapers, but they do. And it turns out Costco and Supreme are doing a collab. Costco collab Supreme.
Costco collab Supreme. Costco collab Supreme. Costco collab Supreme.
Costco Collab Supreme.
Yeah, for only $40 you can get 180 diapers. Yeah, I know that might sound like a lot, but wait, before you say you're so stingy, so selfish, luckily I have a baby brother, so I'm gonna give a few of these diapers to him because you know what? He deserves to be swagged out like me. So I'm gonna go give a few to him right now. so he can get swagged out, look cool, look boss. Yeah. So I'm gonna make sure he looks cool, swagged out, because that's how we roll in this family. No. I meant to do that.
Warm it up!